Good morning. This is our campsite at Gui. We are at 9,500 feet above the sea level, and in front of our camp you can see the Himalayan range. Now it is 6:30 in the morning. Many people are sleeping, so I thought let me take you through this view of our camp. Now such platforms are being prepared. On this platform, these tents are being installed. So we are 8 people, 5 tents has been installed. The last one, that is on the left side of your screen, the first, which is slightly open, is my tent. Then we have here a washroom. Basically it is, they dig the pit and then put some sand on it. They bring some soil also, and on that there is a toilet seat, it is a temporary toilet seat which is being kept. Now this camp is basically our common camp or a dining area, you can say. This is my tent which I was telling you. You can see from inside my sleeping bag and everything is lying. This is our water station. My uncle Shailesh bhai, he is doing some photography. In fact, he was the first one to wake up this morning. And this is our kitchen, the tent. Namaskar. This is the gas cylinder, and the food is being prepared here. Namaskar Mahavir ji. Good morning Rajendra ji. So these are the utensils, and this is the water source. This water source basically is you can see here, this is basically a pipeline which is fixed here, and so this pipeline, this water is collected here, and it basically comes through the stream. It is coming from the mountains. So it's a perfectly natural water which we are using for cooking as well as drinking.
বিস্তীর্ণ পাৰৰে অসংখ্য জনৰে হাহাকাৰ শুনি শুনি শব্দে নীৰৱে বুঢ়ালুইত তুমি বুঢ়ালুইত বোৱা কিয়